Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we are back with draftycar at hour 65, Bob's Bait. I wish we could get a zoom up on it. We kind of can, but also kind of can't. We have two cars. The Corey LaJoy car and the stupid ass car. Don't ask me why I named it, but we are currently in our second season of the Rookie Rush series on draftycar. And we have many upgrades. We have our car number 65, reputation. Going more towards villain right now, so yay. Series eligibility. We only need 3 more stars for the Holland Truck Series. 7 out of 5 Rookie Rush wins. 13 out of 10 Rookie Rush top 5s. Grand National and Pro Cup, we'll worry about that later. But right now, we need to worry about this. We got another weekend. We got Corey LaJoy to do. Let's pay and let's go to the track. And here we are at the track with our Bob's Bait 65.
Welcome to week number 6 of the draftycar Rookie Rush Series.
All we gotta do is stay in the draft. That's our only goal. We just need 3 more starts and we're good. After we get that done, we can work on the chassis for the trucks. And then we'll probably do a couple truck races next episode. Right now we still are in the Rookie Rush series. And sometimes these videos take a while to record, or they seem like it because it is boring. Just fill in second. This is really all I need. 17 coming up, not gonna pull out of line. Now he does when he's slow. Dummy. Okay, well that's not good. Well, I don't know if this is our first, second, third, or however many DNFs we have this season, but I know the caution that we've seen today, and I was involved in it, and I get a DNF. Nice. Oh my god, someone's on their side.
That's okay, man. We'll get them next time.
Well, we finished 20th, so I'm exhilarated of that, and there's a glitch. I'll be right back, maybe? Well, we came back. We exited draftycar, came back in. Hopefully we actually... Okay, we need to race it again. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna quickly do this race and I'll be back once I finish.
Race fans, and welcome to week number 6 of the draftycar Rookie Rush Series.
Right now we're in 20th. In the middle. We're slowly going down the track. Push me 94, you can do it, and you just stop. Thank you so much. Going up to the 69. Yep, my plan is to win. I don't know who that is. So, we have people in the air. The 17! The 17 is up in the air and upside down. Oh my god. We just have a huge wreck. We might get another win. I don't know where to go. We really don't have them like getting anywhere. I'm gonna go up to the 66. Okay, the 4. Win number 8 in the Rookie Rush Series. Woohoo! We're in victory lane once again. We get a net gain of 25,000. That's nice. And now we can finally go back home after doing that race twice. Alright, we have 150,000. We got no letters, which is good. Our stats. Standings, we are in 13th. 5 starts, 2 wins this season. Top 5's 2, top 10's 2. So every time we've been at the top 10 and the top 5, we've gotten a win. Average finish, 14.8. Win percentage, 40. Top 5, 40. Top 10, 40. Well, we're in week 6 of... Oh, no. God, fix the cars. 2 weeks. Fix it. Alright, here we go. You got stupid ass. How is it for the joint to be fixed for...
Good Thursday morning, race fans, and welcome to week number 7 of the draftycar Rookie Rush Series. Green flag is out.
Oh, we're just immediately getting up. Okay, never mind. The 13 has to screw me. Can we wreck the 13, please? I would like to do that. We're climbing these standings. We're currently 15th in points. We already have a... What happened to you? You just spin. 63. But... Yeah, there goes the 7. Whoops. Well, I kind of screwed the 7. Sorry. I didn't want to do that. You're not getting past me, 9. 40 lane is faster. Okay, well, that sucks. That's BS. Well, we at least gain a position in the points. At least we could say that. That shouldn't have happened.
That's okay, man. We'll get him next time.
Seriously, you get bumped. And that happens. If we get a gain of 5,000. Well, you take one. Why? Why? That's BS. You were completely fine after the race last time. You only caused 5,000 in damage cost. Skip the weekend because it's bullshit that we even have to skip it. Yeah, fix the race cars. Yeah, cool. I already know both of them are going to be fixed. Fix and fix. We're going to change the tires. And we're going to go with 4th of Joy. They have to happen.
Good Thursday morning,
The
race
40
fans, and
sucks.
welcome to week number 9 of the draftycar Rookie Rush Series. Green flag is out, and the season resumes.
This should be the final start we need to make to be able to get into the truck series. But we'll see. No, that's BS. What the hell? Just because they hit me doesn't mean I should get wrecked. Just for helping anyone, I'll even help my rival if it helps me. "37, you are a dumbass." Just gonna keep pushing the 9. What is going on back? Oh my god. I look back and I see that. No one is getting past me. I'm gonna goddamn win this race. Miss 73. Yes, they are. Okay, see, was that so goddamn hard? Like, seriously. Net gain of 24,000. Nice. And we're officially at the Holland Truck Series. Let's go. Selected car number 65. That's what we're going with. 65. Resign rookie rest. No, we're leaving that shit. We're leaving that shit at the end of the season, so. Okay, hold on. I'm thrilled to see that you've achieved the benchmark required to move up 25 starts, 5 wins, and 10 top 5 things. You've done more than that. Congratulations on your success. I'm genuinely excited to officially welcome you to the Holland Truck Series. The series is a fantastic community, and we're all about supporting each other and pushing towards greater heights together. You've shown tremendous potential, and I believe you will bring a lot of energy and talent to our races. Let's get together at the next event. I'd love to chat about your journey so far and how we can support your continued growth here. We're all here to help each other succeed, and I'm looking forward to seeing you shine in the Holland Truck Series. In this envelope, I've included the blueprint to build the Truck Series vehicle. Welcome to the family. I'm Lee Johnson, Director Holland Truck Series. Now, before we actually do that, we gotta build the truck. Cost 60,000, build time 3 weeks, expedited 2 weeks. Build it. Enter name. What shall we name our truck, people? You people. Alright. What I'm gonna do is, before I record the next episode, is look at the comments down below. So, if you want your name to be chosen, comment a name of what we should call our truck next time, and we'll look at the comments, put the name in, and then I'll choose a name from the comments down below. So, like, comment what you want the name to be, and we'll see if I choose it, and subscribe while you're down there. But right now, we're gonna go with Rookie Rush. Stupid ass. So here we go, this way. We're back to our olden days.
Number 10 of the draftycar Rookie Rush Series green flag is out. We crossed the halfway point in this season.
We are back to our olden days when we didn't even have a sponsor. We're back to our rookie season. Hey, don't be wrecking me. See, this is the kind of things that I like. Random things that happen. No, why did that happen? No, get out of my goddamn position. This is bullshit. Get me back in here. 7, leave. I'm gonna goddamn take out this 77. '77 is gonna leave this fucking land whether he wants to or not. Alright, there we go. Hey, 59, you better goddamn leave this. Okay, just stay here. Oh, there goes the 63. Dude, it's stupid. Well, I'm trying to get the checker, but it's kind of hard when you're in the middle of a pack. Not my fault. It's not my fault you can't hold your goddamn wheel straight. Down the 9. We're not gonna quite get there. That's fucking stupid! He wrecks and he still wins. That is a load of bullshit. Sponsor offer, Pit Lane Lizard. I don't care what you have to say, win bonus 30, top 5, 20, top 10, 10. Wow. 7 weeks. So we'll go to about week 17. 1,400 per race run. We'll accept it. But our standings, we are currently in 10th. We want that goddamn championship. We got 8 starts and we're in 3 wins, 4 top 5, 4 top 10s. Average finish 11.1. Win percent 37, top 5 and top 10, 50-50. Well, so far we're doing well. Here, we'll fix Coil the Joint, we'll fix you, we'll change your tires. There we go. Next race, next time we will have a truck being built. Comment down below what you want the name to be and maybe I'll choose it. We'll find out. Anyways, we'll see you next time.